Just look at the face of the stew. Oh, from our tin tomato, this is the face.
Welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswell.
So today we're making our stew. You guys remember the tomato we made, right? These are tin tomato, so we'll be cooking it today. So I'm gonna use the oil I use to fry my chicken. Okay, so I'll just put a little of the oil. So I'll let it heat. So sweetie, we'll add our onion. Okay, I don't bleach my oil, so feel free to add your onion. We're gonna fry this onion. Allow it to fry. In case you've not seen the video, just go back and see the video. I posted a video not quite long ago. I taught you how to make tomato paste from the comfort of your home. So healthy, and it has a lot of nutritional benefits. And ever since I start making that tomato paste, I stopped buying tomato paste in the market. Except I ran out of this tomato paste, the one I made, then I will not get from the market. Aside from that, sweetie is a no.
So welcome back to my return subscribers, and to my new subscriber, welcome and thank you for joining the family. And to those that have been watching without subscribing, what are you still waiting for? Please click on the like button, share, subscribe, and get notified whenever I posted a new video. Thank you. So let's continue with the video.
I will stir. I still allow our onion to fry very well. So sweetie, now I'll be adding the tomato. Remember the tomato we made? So I'll be adding it. Okay. So we stir and allow it to fry. Okay. I'll cover it and lower the heat for it to boil. Okay. So sweetie, is our tomato just been boiling. So I'll be adding pepper, fresh pepper to it. Yeah. Stir. Once it boils a little, I now put chicken stock. But before then, I'll add this chicken masala. I'll be putting seasoning cube. And put there. And I like it boil before adding the chicken stock. So kids will be checking and still. So this time around, the face looking right and right. So I'll be adding my chicken stock. This is the chicken stock. So it's blocked. So just add it and let it boil very well before adding my chicken. So sweeties, this time around we'll check our stew. Ooh la la. Are you seeing the face of our stew? So now we'll stir. I'll be adding my chicken, my fried chicken. Okay. So start adding the fried chicken to it. What's that? What's there? And to cover and allow it to boil. We'll cover and allow it to boil. Once it's boiled, we'll bring it down. The steam is ready, okay? So sweeties, we are done making our stew. Oh my god, just look at the face of the stew. Oh, from our tin tomato, this is the face. Now I'm going to boil rice and pair it with rice, okay? So sweetie, will you be trying it? The aroma is, oh my god, the aroma from this stew is what we call beyond metabolism. Oh my god, sweetie, look at the face of this our tin tomato now. Look at the face and tell me that you don't like this stew. Tell me say you don't like this stew. Eh? Tell me say you don't like this stew. Say you don't like am, make I hear. Eh? Stew wey we make tin tomato for. Now we can use and cook. Sweetie, you're not saying the truth. Oh my god, this thing is something else. So guys, I'm going to boil rice now and pair this stew with rice. So I love you all and see you on my next one. Hold on until I finish that one. So these are cooked rice, okay? They're going to pair with our stew. So this is the rice, okay? We've paired the rice. So yeah, it's kind of colorful, right? Yeah, I just make it a bit colorful. So this is me putting the rice. Putting my rice. Ooh. I just want to put it in the middle. So sweetie, now we are putting these our rice. After dishing the rice, this is our stew. So we add our stew. Oh my god, this stew is our stew. So this is a sweetie. These are rice and stew and chicken. So enjoy.